Welcome to Know Joe Hobbies here in Spring, Texas. Man, do I have a deal for you. I was able to put this little airplane together with a bundle. Have everything you need to put this plane together. This is the GPMA 1208, the Sizzlin' Liz, little sport fighter P-51 airplane. It's a great flying little plane. Wingspan's 52 inches, and the build weight is between 5 and 6 pounds. This is going to be a 4-channel when you build it electric, and let's take a look at it. So what we're offering in this is the 1208 kit, which this has the decals, manual, and rudder tail wheel assembly, as you can see in the video. There's the elevator, the wings. It's hard to see up in here, but there is a beautiful fuselage, which you can see in pictures better. There's the canopy, all the screws, hardware, and everything. That's not what makes this special. The plane by itself is already special, but what makes this special is we put everything together for you so you don't have to run out and buy everything, and you're going to be able to save money by doing it this way. First thing I wanted to do is I wanted to get the servo leads. So you've got all your servo leads, everything you need here. Enough to reach through the wings, front to the back, and do all the servos. Speaking of servos, I chose, these are inexpensive but bulletproof, always can count on them, Futaba S3010 servos. This has got more than enough power and perfect speed ratio for this plane. At 6 volts, it's got 6.5 kilograms of torque. It's a standard size servo, and these are about 29 bucks a piece when you buy these. Getting back to that, the kit retails for $139. These guys here are going to run you about 30 bucks, and this is a little over $115 just for 4 servos. So when I was thinking about the motor to put with this thing, this is my old standby for planes this size, the Rimfire 32. This is a great little outrunner, and you can count on it, and it's fantastic for planes from 4 to 6.5 pounds, so it falls right into the right range. You can play around with the props to get a little bit more power, high end or torque, you know, so it's a pretty versatile motor. Also, to go along with the motor, I had to reach over here to grab it. This is a Silver Series 45 amp Electrofly ESC, and these two were manufactured to be married together. I found a pilot I'm throwing in, and we also have a very nice X-War prop here. It's 12 by 6, so that's going to go in the bundle. And to top it off, there is a 4-cell Gen Ace 45C 3800 milliamp battery. It's a brand new battery, and I even put the connector saver on the battery for you. So there you go. The only thing you need to add is drop in your receiver and bind it to your radio, and you're ready to go. If you went out and you bought all this stuff individually, you're looking at almost 525 bucks. That's right, it's not cheap to build these things when you get everything brand new. Almost $525 is what you see sitting here in front of you. So what I want you to do now when this video ends is go take a look at our price, and you'll see what kind of savings we're offering you. You got any questions? Be sure to look us up, give us a call. Know Joe Hobbies in Spring, Texas. We always pick up the phone, or we'll call you right back. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you don't mind, like the video, it helps too.